guys, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. I've been away and have not painted for 6 days. Went to a family celebration of a new union between my sweet Dylan and his lovely wife Jess, and it was wonderful to be with family, to be friends. It took place in Annapolis, Maryland, in a beautiful farm up on the top of a hill, and it just warmed my heart seeing everyone and spending time with them. But I miss my painting, and I am back at it, and I am excited, guys. Hey, listen, real quick, fluidartexperience.com. Come hang out with me. Come paint with me and 4 other artists that I am so excited to be sharing this event with. Plano, Texas, November 12th, November 13th. We've got a wonderful, wonderful buffet dinner planned on Friday the 12th, and it'll give us all an opportunity to chat. We're going to have a question and answer session and lots of fun things planned that I'm not allowed to talk about just yet. I have some exciting things to share and to show you guys. Come on down and hang out with us, guys. November 12th and 13th. All the information you need is on our website, and it is filling up quickly, and I'm excited because I recently found out a few people that I know that are going to be joining me, and I am just thrilled, guys. Join us, fluidartexperience.com. What a blast we will have. So I did a painting about a year ago that got 280,000 views, and I studied it today, and I'm like, why? I don't know why, but it was simple, it was easy, and it was a great color combination. And I'm going to do it again today on this 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, but I'm doing it 2 ways because I'm experimenting a little bit. You all know that I use a lot of golden fluid paints, and I love them, and they're expensive, but I still love them because it doesn't take much paint to make this much to pour with. So I'm doing this twofold. The top half is going to be my golden fluid paints mixed with my pouring medium, which is 75% Floetrol, 25% golden GAC 800. Now my fluid paints took absolutely no water, so it's about a half a part of paint, 4 parts pouring medium. I could even go as much as 6 or 7 parts pouring medium because the pigment is so strong. But I mixed everything in a little cup, so I couldn't add any more pouring medium to it. The other paints are 2 paints, which are heavier bodied paints. They took twice as much paint and half the amount of pouring medium because adding too much pouring medium to it compromises the color. And every one of them took some water. So let's talk about our paint colors. And our first group is the golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent silver. We also have, for good luck, golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent pearl. See what happens when I'm away from this for a couple of days, guys? The next cup is golden fluids in the iridescent bright gold. And our final cup is the golden fluids turquoise. But I lightened it up a little bit, and I added a little bit of the iridescent pearl to it. So the top half of this painting is going to be done in our wonderful golden fluid paints that I absolutely love. The bottom of the pour is going to be the same colors, but with different paints. In this yummy cup right here, we have Arteza in their silver. A 2 paint, it took some water. How much water? Each one took different amounts of water. The silver took about a tablespoon of water. The pearl white took about a half a tablespoon of water. This is the Arteza in the Pearl White. This is Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the Iridescent Precious Gold. Beautiful gold, but very, very in-your-face orangey. So we will see how that compares to the golden gold. Our last cup here is Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the blue turquoise. Now these paints as well were mixed with 75% Floetrol, 25% Golden GAC 800, but all of the tube paints took a half to a full tablespoon of water and a good amount of mixing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do the golden fluids on the top half and the tube paints on the bottom half, and we're just going to compare. We're going to see what they do. Our swiping tool of choice today are some damp paper towels, but I also have some flexible pieces of plastic that I might be using. It's what I used on the original pour. I called it my, what did I call it? My ripple swipe is what I called it when I did it about a year ago. Now I have this in different sizes. It's just the top of a report cover, a plastic report cover. You get it at any office supply store, and I cut them into different widths and different lengths as well. So what else do I have to tell you? I think that's it, guys. Oh, our base coat. Our base coat is already down, and our base coat is a mix. I wanted it to be a dark blue. This is not black. I mixed Master's Touch Ultramarine with my Floetrol and GAC pouring medium, and I slowly added to it the Amsterdam, what is this? This is the Ivory black to it, just to richen it up and darken it up a little bit, and we came up with a beautiful dark navy blue. So I need to paint, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy. fun, guys, and very, very interested. I flipped it this way so you could see it a little bit better. This side right here are our tube paints, which are a heavier body paint, but water was added to them to get them down to the same consistency as the fluid paints that were on this side. And I will bring you in for a close-up, but you can see the bubbliness in these cells here compared to this. Now, I am more partial to the golden gold than I am the Pebeo iridescent gold. This is a very orange hue to it. This is a little bit more delicate. Now, when we swiped, we had to swipe a longer distance here, so that's why you're seeing a lot more of the navy blue negative space, which was the base coat. But let's go in for a close-up and take a look at the different cell formations that happened here. Look at that pearl, guys. Pearl just makes everything glow, and I absolutely love it. But that is a good basic swipe with some good, wonderful colors, and I'm excited about it. I'll post a picture of the original one I did about a year ago that everybody seemed to be very fond of. Now,